Hey y'all, it's Wes, Dagger Machinery in Fargo. Just kind of want to show you some of the features on this golf cart. This is an electric golf cart. It does come street legal. So you've got the flashers there. Got the horn right here. Nice looking wheels and tires, a little bit of a lift, suspension. Got the brush guard there. Little basket to hold some things. Got side mirrors, speakers, Bluetooth capable. Got the rear seat here. This does flip down to make cargo space. And then you do have access underneath there. Fender flares have not been installed yet. Right here you've got a backup camera, kind of cool. Comes with the roof with the full flip down windshield. Got some storage here. There's your plug to charge it. Forward, reverse, nice LCD screen. Good looking steering wheel. Seats honestly look pretty nice. So you will be bidding on a golf cart that does need assembled. This one has obviously already been assembled. If you want assembly on the cart that you buy, we do charge $500 for that. Just let us know whenever you pay for it and we can get it assembled for you. If you have any other questions, just give us a call.